Hello there, Conas Tantu. Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today let's take a bite-sized look at how to say I'm sick in Irish. So there are a couple of different ways to say I'm sick in Irish. One is táim tain. Táim tain. And again, táim tain. Now this is pronounced, this word tain, a little bit differently in Connacht and in Ulster. In Connacht they say teen. Teen. And again, teen. And in Ulster it's chin. Chin. And again, chin. Now where I'm from, in Munster, we actually prefer a different way to say I'm sick, and that's táim broghaite. Táim broghaite. And again, táim broghaite. Now in Irish, when we speak about having a particular ailment or affliction, we say that that thing is on you. So we're using the preposition meaning on, but in a prepositional pronoun form, meaning on me. So if you want to say, for instance, that you have a cold, you would say tá slide-on orm. Tá slide-on orm. And again, tá slide-on orm. If you wanted to say that you had a headache, you would say tá tinnis cín orm. Tá tinnis cín orm. And again, tá tinnis cín orm. If you wanted to talk more generally about just having a pain in some part of your body, that would be phrased a little bit differently. Let's say you have a pain in your stomach, you would say tá pian I mo bholg agam. Tá pian I mo bholg agam. And one more time, tá pian I mo bholg agam. If you had a pain in your hand, you would say tá pian I mo lámh agam. Tá pian I mo lámh agam. And one more time, tá pian I mo lámh agam. And of course, speaking more figuratively, if you simply wanted to say that something was a pain in the arse, you would say is pian sa tóine. Is pian sa tóine. And again, is pian sa tóine. Okay, end of our little chat. Hope you enjoyed it. From me, Ben, till the next time, slán go fóill. Bye for now.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.